If you are using BombBomb or nervous about using BombBomb or what the heck is BombBomb, if you want to make a video and send it out in kvCORE or in any other text, in this video, I'm going to show you a real live demo of me doing it. Nobody needs to worry about it doing it perfectly. So you're going to hear what I say, what I do, how I set it up, and how to make it pretty easy and seamless. So watch this video to the end, because it might help you feel more comfortable, more confident, know the logistics of how it's done. And let's face it, if you don't do it at all, there's no reward. But if we do it all, get it out there, then we might have success and close more deals. All right, let me go ahead and get started with this real live demo, and I hope you love it. All right, so in this video, what I want to do is share with you how to create a BombBomb video inside of kvCORE as a text message, which you can also do as an email. So I'm using Awesome Screenshot right now, so it's going to be kind of weird. Like, you're going to see me in the corner, but I'm going to try to do this on here too, to see if I can record it while also using the camera. So let's see if I can make it work. All right, so this is basically, I'm going to reach out to a past client of mine, and I want to talk to her about investment opportunities. So investment opportunity. Okay, so I'm just going to get this kind of positioned well here. And let's see if I need to move my screens around a little bit. So that's that. And then I need to scroll up. So I'm going to go ahead and record video. Hey there, I'm reaching out to you and tell you about some investment opportunities, because I know we have talked in the past about picking up another investment property. So we have found a few of them that are new construction, and they're great videos. Why did I say video? I'm sending you a video. So they're great properties that I'm just going to redo that one. Okay, so let's stop that. So we don't like that one. I made a mistake, so I'm just going to redo it. So I'm going to press re-record. So to that point, don't feel like we have to be perfect. Right? There is no reason for us to have to feel perfect. Like, look, you can see my ring light and my glasses. I could take my glasses off, but now everything looks blurry, but maybe that's okay. So the other thing that's really important that I want to point out here is that I didn't use their name. So I could do their name, or I could use this video and blast it out to a couple people who I know are also investors. And be like, hey, me, hey there, it's Kim. We've talked in the past, so I'm going to kind of do it like that so I can repurpose it to some other people. Hello, Kim here. I'm sending you this video because I want to make sure I grab your attention. We have talked in the past about investment opportunities. And so Christine and I have found some great investment opportunities that are smaller townhouses that are getting a good return on the investment, and they're brand new. So if you're interested to get more information, then we would love to share this with you, the details about it. But I want to keep this brief because, if you're not interested, that's cool. You can send me a video back, or you can just send me a message here, or you can call me. I know you're busy, so I wanted to send this to you. So let me know if you're interested, or maybe you have a friend that's interested. We'll tell you all about it. It's a good deal. Like, I would look into it myself if I could, but I have other investments I'm doing right now. So I would never introduce you to something that I wouldn't do my own. So let me know. Talk to you soon. Okay, so you can see that this was pretty easy. Didn't make it complicated. It wasn't perfect. You could put a call to action if you want here that says a button title, a button link. It's an email. So, a text. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off and just send them this video. Okay, so I'm going to use this recording. Making progress. Okay, that's my thumbnail. 54 seconds, new investment opportunity, and then type a message. Now I can put their message in there. Send video thumbnail. I don't really need a video thumbnail, but it's okay. So I'm going to send the message, right? Short, sweet, and to the point. Okay, so it's gone. And so now, basically I am going to see what happens. So now that you've seen that I've done it, wasn't perfect, was easy, but notice that I made it what we call evergreen and then personalize it with the text. You can do it in email. I'll shoot some other videos about that, but I wanted this to be super easy. Send it out there, just try it, make it imperfect is often what people like. So hopefully this has helped you. If it has, would love to, comment, give me the thumbs up, and that helps YouTube know that I'm giving you valuable information. And it helps me to know that this is helping you. So I look forward to seeing you next time. And if you haven't subscribed, I sure would like that. And I'll see you on the next video.